Old Navy killed it with these Christmas dogs. Stefano, do you really like it? Should I keep it? This is the best part. You ready?
Oh, we're gonna match?
It says best in snow. Are you excited? Bubba, it's got a pug on there.
That's amazing.
It's a little pug on a sled. So amazing.
Get into your corner.
So demanding. Andy's back and she's already telling me what to do.
Come on, play me.
Jesus Christ.
All right, ready?
Does it look like I'm ready?
You gotta go lower.
I know.
That's cool, Manfrotto. I'm gonna have to ask you a bit.
And then do it that way. Because the
Oh, I love that. So much better. She got it. Okay, but you gotta be near where the drama is. There. Are you ready? Go into your corner.
Okay, okay. Jesus.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, you can move it like that? How do you know?
I don't know when you win.
How do you know?
I think I win.
I'm not even moving.
You gotta move around. Okay, wait.
Okay,
ready?
why don't we hold this with this hand and
then you can do that. Okay.
But
ready?
it doesn't even move.
I think I got. Look, I'm uppercutting you. Aha! Oh, there. That's how you know. Because your head went. Whoop. I win.
Auntie Andy's crazy.
I have to ask you about the tools that you use. Oh, you're still recording?
Got the dogs. But the main event, look at you. Are you sitting up?
He is. He's leaning on me a
Are
little
you
bit.
sitting up, baby?
It's not that much, though. It's crazy.
Oh, you want your sock.
He's gonna eat his foot.
Hmm.
Is he smiling?
Who's here? Who's here?
Disco.
Auntie Gabby and Uncle Mike and Domino's. Is that them?
Hey, disco, please.
Hey, man. Thank you. Happy holidays. He's a sweetheart.
Really easy. Ready?
It's time to eat. Oh, snap. We have a problem with Domino's. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, oh my god.